Okay, now we're going to answer that silly little question of why this heat pump wouldn't fire up. Note, we had 240 coming in, we did not have 240 coming out. We went across this set of contacts here, read 0 volts, went across this set of contacts right here and read 240. That was our symptoms. So let's see if we can figure out what happened.
Here I'm checking to see if there's something underneath the contacts, like a bug or something like that.
Okay, using a screwdriver here, pushing on this side, nothing happens. If I push on this side, off it goes. Okay, so what happened? Okay, now I've got the power off. What's happened here is this armature is hanging up. It only hangs up on one side, but it's hanging up. It's not pulling in both sides. That happens when contactors get old and tired. And that's what's happened to this one. It's just a failed contactor. Sometimes they'll do that when they got a bug or something in the contactor, but this one simply had that armature that pulls down. Just wouldn't pull it all the way down. You can kind of see how it just angles down there when I jam it. So that's all it is, just a wore out contactor.